Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable dark mode on Google Chrome. First, go to google.com and then here search for dark mode Chrome extension. Now go to the first link and this is the extension we are gonna install. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and it's added. Now go to the top and then click on the puzzle icon. Now click on the pin. Now just click on the icon. Now it's dark mode and then again click on and it's light mode. So that's how you can enable or disable dark mode on Google Chrome using a Chrome extension. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.